Hi, this is Rhonda with House from Home, and I want to welcome you to a really fun DIY for the holidays. We are using air dry clay to make cute tags. And so these ones say joy, but I also have a really simple version, which is these stars here that don't say anything at all. And we're going to make a garland with these clay ones. So they're already dry. And I want to just go over how easy this is. So we got the air dry clay in white, and I'll open it so you can kind of see what it looks like now that we've used part of it. Here, okay. And this stamp kit, which actually wasn't my favorite thing, but we made do with it, and I'm gonna give you some helpful tips when using this. So it comes with these little cutouts here, which are pretty awesome. I love the size. Everything's great on that. It doesn't have the star cutout, so I had to buy that individually. This comes with the little, this is your base for your stamp. So you're gonna take these little letters or numbers and you're gonna peel them off. Like, hold on, let me do that for you real quick. So some of these have already been taken off, and we slide them along into here and we make our word. Well, you have to make sure that you do it backwards, because when you stamp, you need to see it the correct way, if you know what I'm saying. So we found this to be actually quite difficult. Some of the letters wouldn't slide in very well, and it was just really time consuming. So we ended up liking just to stamp our clay just individually. So we would line it up, we do one stamp and then the next. So you're basically eyeballing it, but it works really well. Here's a little tip. So when you have your clay, we roll it out on a flat surface with a rolling pin, just like you would sugar cookies. And you can choose the thickness that you want. This one, as you can see here, is really thick, and like the stars are fairly thin, and so it's just gonna, again, it doesn't really matter. You just don't want them too thin or they'll snap. So this kit does not give you the little hole punch out to put your tags in. And so we like to use a straw, and this was a smaller straw here on this one. And then we had a bigger straw on that one. And so that worked pretty easy. So roll your clay out on a flat surface, and then use your stamper, and just like sugar cookies, you're gonna peel that off. And we would put, here, I'll show you real quick how we did this last set. We just had a nice big cutting board and some wax paper to set them on, and just went ahead and put our clay cutouts right here, and then we left them out to dry. And you can dry them a little faster in the oven. We put them in front of our fireplace to get that process going. And then comes the fun part, is how you're going to use your tags. And so I have a couple examples. Here is one with the star. So this is for the holidays. We added a tassel to it, kind of give it, I don't know, a little bit more cuteness there. And you can see we use different ribbon on this one. And then I'll show you another one that is a favorite of mine. And so we're actually going to use these tags on a place setting for the holidays. So all of our napkins will be wrapped with a little tag. And I think we're going to end up using this ribbon here because it's real, I like how thin it is and it's soft and pliable. So it'll wrap really nicely around a napkin. And so this is just a gift wrap idea. You can hang these from your stockings. Another really great idea is to, you can put people's names on the tags and use them on your stockings for the holidays or on gifts. And it's just kind of a fun way to bring a little bit more personality to whatever you're doing, and great crafts for kids. So if you have some kids around and you're like, hey, let's do this, it's super fun. A lot of ages can do it, and of course, big kids like me. So thank you so much for joining me today, and all right, have a great day.